Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to learn how to copy a text or any content from a website that doesn't allow. So let me show you. So let me open Chrome. So suppose this site selfstudy3.com. If you try to see, I am trying to click, but it will not work. Same if I try to right click, it will show don't copy text. And you will find many videos in YouTube that by installing some add-on you can copy, but I will show you a method whether when you cannot use in a situation where add-on installation may not be possible, so that in that case you have to use my method. Okay, so let me show you again. I will show you. It will not work. Right click, won't work. Okay, so open search for copy from protected website. Okay, see, it is the add-on allow selection copy. We will not use this. So open another thing. Let me show you. Web paste to text. Okay, so open this website www or w3 services html to text. Okay, now it is accepting URL. Okay, so give this URL, copy it, paste it. Okay, so click on this link, convert from HTML to text. Now let me show you how to copy from certain section or folder. Okay, suppose I need this. Okay, the first paragraph is century BC November, etc. So it is messy right now. So search for what is going in 6th century BC. Search. You have to press Ctrl F in your keyboard. I forgot the in 6th century, no? Okay. Now you can copy this. Okay. Right click, copy, and you can use it whenever you want. But let me warn you guys, this tutorial is only for educational purpose. Don't use it for Excel research or any that kind of work. Okay, it may sue you for plagiarism. Okay, so don't use this. So if you like this video, please like it, share it. This is a small channel, so please subscribe and press the bell icon for more such unique and amazing videos. Okay, bye bye.